Good morning student, this is your physics class. Today we will continue the same chapter, chapter number 2, that is the physical quantities and measurement. So open the page number 20. We will discuss the topic measurement of time. Concept of time. Time is an important aspect of our life. All our daily activities from morning till night are centered around time. Measuring time is of great importance to us. Today we measure time by using clocks and watches, but in the past time people used to measure time by the movement of natural objects like the sun, phases of the moon, stars. They would associate time of sunrise as a daytime and the sunset time as a night time. Ancient measuring devices could not measure small time intervals like minutes and seconds. This became possible with the invent of clocks and watches. Measurement of time. Accurate measurement of time helps us in coordinating our daily activities. We can measure time or time interval by using a clock, watch or a stopwatch. By a clock, watch or stopwatch, the time can be measured in hours, minutes and seconds. Clocks and watches are used to measure the time of the day, while a stopwatch is used to measure the time interval between the two events. Reading time from a clock or watch. So, the present day clocks and watches give time either in a 12-hour display or 24-hour display. Let's understand how to read the time from this clock. First one, 12-hour clock. In a 12-hour clock, the time is expressed in 12 hours. A 12-hour clock has two needles. Shorter needle is called the hour needle and the longer needle is called the minute needle. Some clocks have the third needle, that is called the seconds needle also. Hour needle completes one round in 12 hours while the minute needle completes one round in 1 hour. The second needle completes one round in 60 seconds or 1 minute. A day starts from the midnight and ends at the next midnight. It has 24 hours. From 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon is taken as AM, that is the antemeridian, means before midday, and from 12 o'clock noon till 12 o'clock midnight is taken as PM, that is the post meridian, means after midday. In a 12-hour clock, time till noon is written as AM and afternoon is written as PM. For example, 8 AM means 8 o'clock in the morning, while 8 PM means 8 o'clock in the evening. The next one is 24-hour clock. In a 24-hour clock, the time is expressed in 4 digits. The day starts at midnight at 12 o'clock and begins with the 0000 hours and ends at the next day midnight at 24 hours. This time 24 coincides with the 00 of the following day. In a 24-hour clock, first two digits on the left express hours of the day and next two digits express minutes of the day. For example, 0830 means 8:30 am, that is the morning time, while 2030 means 8:30 pm, that is the evening time. Under the 24-hour clock system, the day begins at midnight 00 and the last minute of the day begins at 23:59 and ends at 24:00. The hours are written in continuation from 0 hours at midnight as 00 till 24 hours next midnight as 24. The afternoon time is calculating by subtracting 12 from the hour digits. For example, time 14:44 means that's the time, that is the 2:44 pm when you subtract the 12 from it. The arrival and departure time of trains and aeroplanes are expressed in 24-hour clock. Some simple steps to convert 24-hour time to 12-hour time in AM and PM. If the hour is exactly 12, then count it as PM time. If the hour is 00, then change it to 12 and count it as an AM time. If the hour is greater than 12, then subtract 12 from hour and count it as PM time. Minutes never change when changing between 24-hour and 12-hour times. 24-hour, for example, 1538, that when you minus 12, you got 3:38 pm. 0825, that is the 8:25 am. So, you can solve this table. Next one, stopwatch. Stopwatch is used to measure the time interval between two events. Where you have seen stopwatch in the laboratory, in the playground, it can be started at the beginning and stopped at the end of the event. Hence, it is used to measure time interval between the events such as sports race, a laboratory experiment, or any activity. Stopwatches used in laboratory can measure the time interval accurately up to 1 second. However, the digital stopwatch used in sports event can measure accurately up to 0.01 seconds. A stopwatch used in laboratory may look like 12-hour clock, but it has marking from 1 to 60 signify the time in minutes and further divisions into seconds. It is generally used to check and monitor the time interval between the laboratory experiments. So you can see the activity 4 to measure the time taken for 100-meter race by using a stopwatch. So there are the 4 students. So time noted. So first student 30 second, second 25 second, third 28 second and fourth 29 second. So these are the some observation recorded. So your observation may look like as shown in the given table. Units of time. Time can be expressed in hours, minutes and seconds, which can be converted from one unit to another. The table 2.5, seconds symbol is S, minutes MIN, R, H. Conversion. One day has a 24 hours, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Up to this page 23, you also solve this question answers and try yourself too. So, up to this page, this is your lesson and no need to do the next topic. This is the deducted due to the COVID-19. So, up to 23 page, you prepare this chapter. In the next video, I will discuss about the question answer. Thanks a lot.